ну, цап такой, на тебя, сука, на, говорю ты, блядь, не лезь, скоро полез, она в горячее, обожжешься, говорю ты, блядь, говорю, блядь.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Department of Homeland Security, the Federal Emergency Management Agency, and the U.S. Army. At approximately 12 o'clock p.m. Central Daylight Time, an army of Russian soldiers has invaded the city of Los Angeles. Russian soldiers were seen shooting civilians when they refused to orders from them. If you are caught by a Russian soldier, put your hands over your head and do not move. If you are anywhere else in Los Angeles, seek shelter now. If you are in surrounding cities, be prepared to take action immediately for your safety. The U.S. Army has been deployed to deal with this situation. If you are in the rest of the country, be prepared to go to a fallout shelter, as Russia may launch a nuclear missile. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous and violent situation. All clear. I repeat. All clear. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the U.S. Army. The Russian soldiers that were causing chaos in Los Angeles were defeated by the U.S. military. The Russians fled out of the city and returned to Russia. NATO countries such as France, United Kingdom, Poland, Germany, and others helped us win the war. Even though the threat has passed, mass devastation and loss of life were seen in Los Angeles and surrounding areas, with some small towns being completely wiped off the map. The National Guard is having trouble rescuing people from destroyed shelters. If your shelter was destroyed, call 911 and the National Guard, if possible, will send to the nearest military base. Your government thanks you, your corporation, during this emergency. Normal programming may now resume.